traders, just wanted to share a real quick trade with you today that I did on Commonwealth Bank. So this is only relevant for Australian traders, but yeah, if you're an Australian trader, you might be interested in this one. Just a quick reminder that everything is general in nature and for educational purposes only. So firstly, I want to show you how I found the trade, and this was through a company that I'm partnering with at the moment called volatility.com.au. Really great options platform for Australian traders. And in my watch list here, I noticed that Commonwealth Bank is up about 40% in the last year. And I just thought that's a little bit too extended here. So I wanted to look in the chart a little bit more. The IV rank's also quite high at 79. So if you look at the chart here, you can see that we've been making some higher highs here, but there's a bit of price rejection here a couple of days ago, a couple of bearish candles here. And we're also seeing some pretty nasty negative divergence on RSI as well. As the stock's going higher, the RSI is going lower. So that's really a real key thing that I like to look for. And I just thought that stock was a little bit extended here and that it was likely to have fairly limited upside from here over the next couple of months. So looking at the strategy builder, I was looking at selling the 150 December calls and buying the 158 December calls. You can see here that's going to generate about 165 in credit. I also like to look at it in Risk Navigator as well. So I've done the 4 contracts, got filled at about 157, I think. So pretty decent premium there. We do 157 times 400. You can see that's about 628 in premium, less commissions. And there's about 600 in premium still remaining. There's our strike price there at 150. Obviously, we're going to lose money if the stock rallies. We're going to do well if the stock goes down. So anyway, I thought you'd like this one. I hope it works out for you if you decide to take it. If you've got any questions, please reach out anytime, and best of luck with your trading.